Hi guys, it's Andy G again. Welcome back to another real quick tutorial on white noise sweeps and how to make them. So let me play an example for you. So that's a really nice way to just make a transition between two different parts of your song. And I'm going to recreate this from scratch just to show you guys how it's done. So first of all, I'm going to add a 3x oscillator, change the noise so that all three oscillators are making white noise. Let me assign that to channel 6, and then I am going to just play a random note. Okay, so if I play that now, it just gives me flat white noise. The part that we actually need to change is the frequency. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a free filter, and we are going to automate the frequency. So if I turn the gain down a bit, I'm going to right click on the frequency knob and hit create automation clip, and I am going to sweep from low to high, and let's see how that sounds. Okay, that's quite nice, but you might have noticed that the sound got loud towards the end, and I want my white noise to be kind of the same volume the whole way through. So what I actually like to do is to automate the volume, and I make it drop towards the end to kind of offset that. So let's listen now. Okay, that's nice, so it sounds a bit more even now. The final part is the delay, which I just love to add. And let's play this. So there you have it, real quick, real easy, how to make a white noise sweep. Thanks for watching.